Imagine sitting at home and receiving $9 an hour, go to another hour and receive another 9 for $30. Hello and welcome to a new video in which I always bring new ways in which you will be able to earn money in a real way. These are not miraculous, but very real methods that will help you to earn money online in a super simple way, since there are 5 methods with which you will be able to earn in a super simple way, each one better than the above, yes, if you have university studies. Do you have a master's degree or are you going through high school? The last method is going to be your favorite without a doubt. Yes, these methods do require some effort since they are real methods that are going to be serving you super well, and that yes, how much you earn depends a lot on how much effort you put into it, although believe me that anyone can start earning, so if you want to see the step-by-step of how to also start earning real money with these methods, watch the full video so you can see this new method on the first page that you are using is this, and it is about working solutions. Here you will be able to get a lot of different jobs, either answering emails, solving a problem, and doing other tasks. Here a little more information, here a little more for companies, some of the companies with which he has worked today with those who have certain partners. For example, Genesis Coupe, All Peloton has a rather curious name, at least from Mexico agency. And as you can see if what in fact this is super popular in the USA regarding real estate, and so you can see the other companies that as you can see there are several quite important ones here. For example, how many I will be narrating the companies. And while here, for example, a little more technical information, now you as a person who wants to start working, simply click here on WorldCat Home and Good Future and Focus. As you can see, you can start working from home as an independent person or freelance. To apply, simply click here, and in fact they have several awards about different flake jobs, for example from 2021, 2020, 2019, and obviously 2022 is missing. And it's good that you want to be able to work from home with this opportunity, a care opportunity, yes, because they give special attention to all their affiliates by calling their workers or collaborators in some way. You will be able to work from home, and in addition to that, it can be your own boss. Here some testimonials, and well, how much can you be earning? For example, working 7 hours a day, we are going to put 8, which is like the average schedule of a person is earning $120 per day, which would be $480 a week, or well, let's suppose you work 6 days because it makes me more comfortable. The truth is that you will be earning $720 a week. And believe me, these are statistics from here on the page. I am not lying to you. Being able to earn up to $2,880 a month if we have 720 by 4 would give us, like result, these $2,880, which is what you saw in the title here, a video, a little more information, the people who are working here, some recommendations, and others also has appeared in super important media. For example, CNN Place Jobs and Vice News on Bike and Forbes by Dimension. Some now, yes, to apply to those jobs that actually pay quite well. You just have to click here up on a poll, and now here we just go down a little and you will see it. Click here. Now if we go down a little and you will see the different opportunities. As you can see, this is the first of the pages. Let's move on to the next one, and it is a fairly well known by some, perhaps hated by others. Here for example you can see different opportunities, and it is that Fiverr continues to be a benchmark in terms of freelance, and in the #1 page to be able to earn money online. I honestly believe that there is no page more popular than Fiverr. That is, it is flat out at the top of the top, so the opportunities are still there, and in fact these are the most important categories, but it does not mean that they are the only ones in which you can work. In fact, we look at who to look for example web design, and we open these categories for us, but we have all of these to which you could apply logo design that we believe are the most popular, so it does not suit you so much. Game arts is if it could be convenient for you. Graphic arts for streamers, these are already a little more niche, but it is still an excellent category. That as you can see are vector designs, for example here screens for Twitch that are not cheap, and we are going to click on it, and as you can see it charges the most basic $50, the standard package, which is the one that most people usually buy because it has, for example, the basic plus, which would be the offline starting the big break back lobby donations flower notification, and instead sometimes it only has the icon, the webcam, and a few buttons. As you can see here it is and done. The premium would have the 2 previous packages plus an illustrated mascot and the logo, but honestly people tend to design their own logos, so this package is super good anyway. 175 by 2,796. How many does she have? Our 175 times 2,976. We have that this character has earned $20,000. As you can see, finding her own niche that is increasing more and more. Here you can see other opportunities, and look, for example, here you have all these in a matter of marketing design. We have zero local, which is also a very good opportunity even outside of Fiverr, writing and translation and black animation, music programming, technology business, and others. As you can see, it is super good. And this was the other opportunity to work as a freelance in Fiverr. Here it is simply time to look for your opportunity, favorite, or your niche to which you can apply. That there are some quite competitive, but there are others with which you will be able to start working in a simpler way. Now let's go to the next page. And it is about up here you will be able to start work with a system more or less like artificial intelligence. They have more than 25 years of experience. Here you can do quite simple tasks, not just develop artificial intelligence, computer security, and things like that. Look how you see there are a lot of different opportunities, and to start working on this site you just have to click here on join or crowd, and in fact you can do the work from anywhere in the world. Here you can see the different projects, the micro stacks that would be smaller jobs, obviously pay much less. And well, for that you only have to register, or in my case to log in. We click here on login and it will bring us to the next page, to our dashboard, where we will see all the opportunities that we could get to get tight. As you see here, we simply have to complete our profile to be able to start working. In fact, because this account is new only for the video, but anyway, this is another excellent opportunity to work. Let's move on to the next one. I don't want to focus so much on this one because it can be a little more complicated for some users. Now we come to piperforword.com. And here we are going to look for the personal assistant vacancy that, as you can see, cheap is not. For example, $35 for 90 minutes, $25, $25 to $15 for a business day, to $25 for 10 hours is what I tell you. The truth is that it is very well paid, and that you have to be in this type of work because the truth is that it is quite simple, in addition to the fact that the competition is your proof. I have only seen 159 results. That if you compare it, for example, with logo design, let me show you for what personality logo design we have here. More than 10,543 vacancies. So if this number is your purpose and you can start applying, the truth is that the way of working is super simple. You only have to answer calls, answer emails, keep the schedule of the person, and that's it. And it's an excellent opportunity that can even be working at night or during the day as you like. The truth is that they pay quite well, so you can start applying for it. You just have to register as a freelancer. Now we come to the last chance study pool. Here people come to ask their questions related to their school. University preparatory is what it said. Here you simply have to sell your grades, for example these documents, tasks you have done, and others. For sure, if you are studying, or if you study, you have a world of jobs in PDF that you don't even pay attention to anymore, because it is an incredible opportunity to earn money for it. Since, for example, you can sell all that content, quite simply look at the page because it is quite complete, and you can register as a tutor, although obviously most do not. And if you have to have a level of specialization. But who do I know? The doc is the part that spoke to you, where you will be able to earn up to $5,000 a month for simply selling your documents, because you only have to upload your file that is approved, have the opportunity to be seen by students, and earn money. In fact, you will receive $10 for each document. Here are the people who have earned the most money. And well, here are, for example, some documents and how much the owner has been paying. So yes, it's an incredible opportunity for you to start earning easily. But let me know how you like these opportunities. Leave me your comments in the description so I know